The 2026 Lamborghini Fenomeno. This is the latest in Lamborghini's ultra-limited hyperclass. The Fenomeno strikes a celebration at Lamborghini for over 20 years of innovation and ingenuity. There will only be 29 produced worldwide. Us average folks have a better chance of finding the 7 Dragon Balls.
I shall grant you any wish. Now speak!
With a car this rare, the performance and powertrain must be out of this world, right?
Bitch, you get.
This is the most powerful V12 in Lamborghini history. The Fenomeno is powered by a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12, pushing 823 horsepower at 9,250 RPM. There's an additional 3 electric motors, 2 in the front and 1 in the transaxle. The gas and electric motors fusion dance together for a total output of 1,080 horsepower. 0 to 60 is achieved in 2.4 seconds with a top speed of 217 miles an hour. Ceramic carbon brakes on all fours with forged single nut rims and Potenza track tires. The aero on this car is something straight out of Gundam.
Huh? Where? Above us!
S-ducts, air curtains, and NACA-style air intakes with an Omega-shaped rear wing. The downforce and cooling on this car is
sensational.
That's it on this ultra-rare Lamborghini Fenomeno. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell. We're on the road to 100 subscribers. Catch you on the next one.